What is up, YouTube? It's Stevie J here with Stevie J Trading. Just a trade recap. London Open is just about to happen. It was 10 minutes before, so a lot of movement in the market on the Asian session. What I did was I turned on my volume profile. If you haven't seen that short, I've got it down in, it's in my shorts. Have a look in my videos. It gives you the point of control, value low and high, and the volume on the side here. Now we had a big pull down this direction when I logged on, had a look at it, just keep an eye on it. We bounced clear through it. We still got a new low, but they were targeting this here. And as you can see, it hit it and then bounced off and had a good push up. But I put my sell order here of 5 because it's a really good level for me. Lots of support there on the point of control, lots of volume, and gave me, and the stop was at a nice area up here. So if we see the sell, it's like right at the top of that one over there. So if it breaks that, then I'm wrong. But if it's right, I'm going to 10, and it's going to be at the 5 points. So it's $1,000 for today. Takes me up to 52,000, so I need another 1,000 to go, and we're past this email. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.